guys, it's me Sydney, and I'm coming to you all with a review on my Dia&Co box. I was so excited to review this box because this is my first time receiving Dia&Co, and for those of you that are not familiar with what Dia&Co is, they are plus size targeted, and they give you a stylist. The stylist will select these pieces of clothing based on a survey or a test that you take, and with that survey or test they ask you your body type. What do you wear on a normal day-to-day basis? What do you like to wear that you probably don't get to wear? What type of colors you like? What type of patterns do you like? All those types of questions. And so they use all those questions, and every month, or you can choose every 2 weeks, I think every 2 to 3 weeks, every other month, and every month. I think those are the 4 options that you get to choose from, that they will send you a box full of 5 items. You can say that you want accessories or say that you don't. I personally say that I do, and that box is randomly selected by your stylist. Along with your box, you do receive an envelope that contains a letter from your stylist. So this is the letter that I got from my stylist, and my stylist's name is Katie, and this is what she put. Hi Sydney, welcome to the Dia&Co family. We're really excited to start this journey with you and build a wardrobe that you'll love to wear every day. The Chambers jeans have a great fit and style. Pair them with the Annabella top and layer the cardigan over it. The Jacksonville fit and flare dress has a figure-loving silhouette that will look great on you. Add the necklace for some bling. Don't forget to send us your feedback. We want to know what you like, what you don't like, and what styles you're willing to try. And most importantly, we want you to have fun with this. Katie, make your next box better at, and then they give you a little website to rate your box. So that's that. Along with your box, you do receive like this printout receipt of the items that are in your box, and then it gives you a total, and then if you purchase everything that's in the box, they give you 25% off, and the $20 that you pay per month for your styling fee, it goes towards whatever you purchase in the box. So that's kind of how it works. I was excited to get this box. I got it last week, and it had 4 clothing items and 1 piece of jewelry. So let's go ahead and jump into what's in the box. So the first thing that I got in the box was a necklace. This necklace was from Town and Reese for Dia&Co. Personally, this wasn't something that I would have picked out if I was like at a store, and I think that's one of the things that I kind of liked about getting this box, and one of the reasons why I signed up was because sometimes I feel like I do have style, but I don't have style, and I don't know, it's just, I feel like I'm just hit or miss. And so here's the necklace. I'm not really sure if I like this or not. A lot of the stuff in the box, when I originally got this box and I opened it and I started looking at this stuff, I was like, y'all, I don't like this. I wanted to send them a message and say, I don't like none of the things in my box. I just didn't like it, but I didn't try it on. So I was like, okay, let's go ahead and try it on. Let's not judge a book by its cover. And once I tried it on, I really liked some of the stuff. I really did. And the necklace I did not like, but I appreciated them for sending it. And part of the reason that I did not like it was because I need just a little bit more, something else that was like a little bit more, I don't know, I don't even know the word to use for it, but subtle jewelry like that, I like it short. I don't like long subtle jewelry. I feel like it gets lost, so that's why I didn't like that piece of item. But now on to the next thing, which is a pair of jeans. Now when I first got these jeans, I was like, these jeans are not going to fit me, they're going to be too big, and I love the jean color. in the style with the rips and things of that nature in them, because I needed some subtle ripped jeans, ones that weren't like ripped from top to bottom. And I needed a dark pair of jeans, so I was like, I love these jeans, but I don't think that they're gonna fit. When I tried them on, I really love the fit. They are by Molly and Isadora, I think that's how you say it. And they're a little bit stretchy. They have a nice soft pull to them. They're not like stiff, like they're not like what are they called, like, you know, those jeans that they have at Walmart and they like stand up on their own. They're not these kind of jeans. They are really soft. They have, like I said, a nice pull to them, so I will definitely be keeping these jeans. Next thing I received was a shirt, and the funny thing about this shirt is because they send you like a little receipt with how much everything is and what all's in your box and all that kind of stuff. And this shirt is supposed to be reversible, but here's the detailing. I love this little crisscross strappy detail about it. It's floral, and I have a lot of floral things, so I'm probably gonna send this back because I don't need another floral piece of clothing at all. But this is supposed to be reversible, and y'all tell me if this is what reversible looks like nowadays, because maybe I'm just wrong, or maybe they just sent the wrong shirt by accident. I don't know. But last time I checked, when things were reversible, they didn't have like a tag that was attached to the other side. And then, I mean, the seams of it, sometimes you can tell like if something's reversible or not by the seams, and the seams look fine to me, but there's something about it just does not seem reversible. So I don't know, but the style of the shirt fit really nice. They sent me a cardigan to pair with it. I wasn't too excited about this cardigan, only because the cardigan has like this drawstring, like elastic middle. It fits nice. If they would have just sent me one that didn't have this like middle, maybe I would have been like, okay, I like it, I think this will go good. But I didn't like the middle part of it. And it's got this bag. It's by Kiyonna, and it's just a navy blue plain solid cardigan. And the last thing that I really liked, I thought this was like great for Easter. Great for Easter. It's really nice and really like church appropriate. It is this fit and flare style floral dress. I told y'all I don't need no more floral things. But the cut of the dress and the way that it flared out just was really pretty. It was nice and slimming. It is by, let's see, Michael Studio Collection. It looks really nice. I love this, and like I said, Easter is coming up, and so this was a really great send for like an Easter type of wear. The only thing that I did not like about the dress was this big zipper down the front. Like, this zipper goes down the entire dress, so somebody could play a prank and just swoop and like unzipping my whole dress if they wanted to. But other than that, I really like that it's a nice thick material. It's not like cheap, thin. It's really nice, and I definitely will be keeping that dress. So that is all of my items from my Dia&Co box for the month of March. I am so excited to continue my subscription with Dia&Co, and I look forward to reviewing my box with you guys every month as I get them. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, and of course subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you get a Dia&Co box and who's your stylist. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked the items that I received in my box. I do receive a box from Dia&Co every month, and I will be continuing my subscription with them. So I look forward to reviewing a box every month for you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.